What up? It's Aiden, your boy. Today we're doing a fidget spinner. Now let's get started.
What you doing, baby?